Morning everyone. So I have made 2 day break, I think. So one day there was a meeting in the school because of that, and second day yesterday I was having one exam. So because of the 2 days I couldn't able to make any kind of video. So today we are again back. So in which today we will discuss again chapter number 3. I think first video that we made, there we discussed 4 topics. Today again we are going to discuss 4 topics. Those 4 topics related to chapter number 3. 4 topics we have done in our earlier class. Remaining 4 topics we are discussing now. Again one more topic, there we'll finish the chapter. Now every chapter will contain 3 videos, 3 part. Okay. Now chapter number 3 in science, today's topic, these are the 4 topics. The first topic is synthetic fiber. Second topic is regenerated synthetic fiber. Third topic is true synthetic fiber. And the last topic is property of synthetic fiber. Now first of all, let's start with the synthetic fiber. So what is a synthetic fiber? Now synthetic fibers are what? They are the fibers which are made in the factory with the help of chemicals and with the help of some of the natural things. When the chemicals are mixed, then what happens? Synthetic fiber is made. Synthetic fiber is also called as man-made fiber. You have learned that fiber are of 2 types, natural fiber, synthetic fiber. Natural fiber are the fiber which we get from the nature, and synthetic fiber are the fiber that are made by the human being in the factory or in the industry with the help of chemicals. Those kind of fibers are called as what? Synthetic fiber. Some of the names of the synthetic fiber are rayon, nylon. Okay, these are some of the example of synthetic fiber. Then there is one more that is called as the polyester. All those are the examples of synthetic fiber. Then synthetic fiber are of 2 types. One is called as regenerated synthetic fiber. Another one is called as the true synthetic fiber. So regenerated and true synthetic fiber are the types of synthetic fiber. Now in the regenerated synthetic fiber, what happened? In this one, they take the natural fiber and with them they mix some of the chemicals. So the natural fibers, when we take the natural fiber and with that if we mix some of the chemicals, we get the regenerated synthetic fiber. So in the regenerated synthetic fiber, it is name has been given regenerated synthetic fiber because in this kind of synthetic fiber some natural products are also used. Some of the examples of regenerated synthetic fiber are what? This rayon. This rayon is a regenerated synthetic fiber. Then after that comes the true synthetic fiber. Now from the name itself you can say true synthetic fiber means no natural material is used. It is totally based on the chemical. Any synthetic fiber which doesn't use any kind of natural thing are called as what? True synthetic fiber. Example of true synthetic fiber is what? Nylon. So rayon is the example of regenerated synthetic fiber, and true synthetic fiber example will be what? Rayon. Then comes the properties of synthetic fiber. What are the properties of synthetic fiber? So there are 7 different properties of synthetic fiber. The first one is what? Strength of the fiber. All the synthetic fibers which are present, they are very much strong. Okay, they don't get break or they don't get tear so easily. So that is the first property. Second property is what? Elasticity of the fiber. The synthetic fiber which are present, they are very much elastic. They don't get tear up when you stretch them. It doesn't get tear up so easily. Then third one is what? Moisture absorbency. So the synthetic fiber are the fiber which can absorb the moisture very easily and with very fast. Okay, so that is the third property. After that, the fourth property is what? Resistance of biological attack. Resistance of biological attack means what? The synthetic fiber doesn't get easily destroyed by the insect or any kind of pest which can destroy the cloth. It doesn't get easily destroyed with the pest. So that is the fourth property. Fifth property is what? Affinity for dyes. That means what? If you wash the clothes, if you wash any kind of synthetic clothes, the color doesn't get fade up so easily. That is the fifth property. Sixth property is what? Effect of acid and alkalis. So synthetic fiber are resistance, means doesn't get discolor so easily with the help of acid and all. The last property is what? Effect of heat. Some synthetic fiber can catch fire very easily. That is the last property. So that's why it is said that we should not have to wear the synthetic clothes in the kitchen, because synthetic clothes are made up of petroleum. and petroleum can catch fire very easily. So that's why if synthetic fiber catches fire, synthetic fiber can catch fire very easily. So that's why it is prescribed that synthetic fiber we should not have to use near the fire. Okay, so these are the 4 topics that we have today discussed. Remaining things we will discuss it tomorrow. Thank you, one and all.